Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are well. Today I'm going to the festival plaza to have fun with my family, and as you can see, one side there's the IBN Batuta, another side there's some residential area, and there's another side the garden. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Connor and today I'm at Festival Plaza. Here you will find like the home furniture shops like IKEA. You will find a hypermarket for your grocery shopping that will be called Lulu, and you'll find clothes shop like Marks and Spencer's and many more amazing things. Come on and explore them all with me. So guys, as you can see, this is the Lulu hypermarket. Here you get everything like the groceries fresh, you get like electronic device. The biggest home of furniture, IKEA store. You can get here lots of varieties of beds, dining, kitchen accessories, kids play area stuff, and more furniture things that we need for our house. The biggest furniture shop in the Festival Plaza. This is also a bakery shop, so if you're maybe hungry from shopping, come and join us here. And you'll get so many amazing things. You'll get blankets, pillows, chairs, tables, and so many more amazing things. So guys, now there is almost the Eid holidays. It starts from tomorrow, and you will get amazing Dubai summer surprises from 1st July all the way to the 4th of September. And you'll get amazing things and amazing discounts. So guys, now I'm at the food court. Here you get the option of Baskin and Robbins, you get Pizza Hut, Hardee's, and so many more amazing restaurants. They have lots of delicious food there. So guys, this is a one-story mall, and I'm on the first floor. Here you're gonna find your food court, you're gonna find Marks and Spencer's, you're gonna find beauty shops, and you're gonna find so many more amazing things. If you're an art lover, you're welcome to come here because the mall has so much of amazing artwork just like this. If you're a coffee lover, you'll find one of the best coffee shops here. If you guys want to buy toys, you can come to Toys R Us and get them. So guys, let's have some donuts. Hi. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good. I'd like 6 donuts.
6 donuts, half dozen, right?
What?
Half dozen.
Okay, so I'd like 2 chocolate marble
Chocolate
frosted.
marble. How
Chocolate
many?
marble, 2 too.
Okay.
2 chocolate marbles, please.
Over here.
I said 2 chocolate marbles.
And then?
And after that, I'd like vanilla all chill.
Okay.
I like the chocolate marble frosting.
This one, right?
No, like the chocolate one. This one, yes, thank you. Yes, 2, thank you.
And
2 choco all. The choco all. 2, yes, thank you. 2, yes. Yes, that's all.
go in the counter.
Okay. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed exploring the festival plaza with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on daily awesome videos. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.